the corporation out of debt. There was almost 85 CR which were under debt. We brought it to a great level of with the steps taken by the corporation before the new the other MD was after MD Abhishek was there. We have taken our and we have done taken a lot of proactive steps to see that association that the Goa IDC came into complete good position. I had promised all the associations that first thing we would do is take the IDC out of debt. Second, to see that infrastructure was the most important focus. Everybody there were complaints that there were no proper roads, there were no proper infrastructure available. So we first did a safety audit. With the safety audit, we saw to it that all the estates, Honda, the Verna, everywhere, Margam, Betora, all industrial estates, Konkani, Kagoda, Konkani, all industrial estates, had an audit done in the sense that what was required, at which junction, what signals were required, where speed breaker was required, where steps were taken that there were no accidents, what was exactly happening. After that, all steps started. So we tendered about 100 crores work. And now we will take up all the works. Our job will be to see that along with my staff, everybody from the IDC, to see that all the industry states have the best of infrastructure. Now white topping we have taken up and the total work amounting to almost 80 CR has been taken up in the first phase. So all this work will be completed in maybe another 1 year or so. Entire industry. 6 months. And the white topping first will be taken up Honda and Pilam in the first phase. The second phase, Verna, Margam Industrial Estate. The third will be Betora Industrial Estate. And fourth will be, we will have Konkani, Kagoda and Gokoli. Now the latest position is that everybody is complaining there are still potholes. All the roads which are having potholes right now have been taken up for white topping. That's why we have not touched the potholes. We don't want to spend more money on potholes because the white topping is already started. 6 months before the rains, we plan completing everything. Now, whichever roads that will be completed now will be one of the best roads. Our plan is to see for the next 25 years, we have a good road. The Industrial Association were taken. I have the Industrial Association chairman here. We have taken everybody into confidence whenever we did it. Whatever works we have done, we have taken all the associations into confidence. We had the connect programs, and in that connect programs we had everybody, whatever the flaws that were there, or rather whatever they had problems. As far as everything, as far as even making an application, getting the applications done, all I think we have covered almost 80% of their whatever the grievances they had. We plan to touch 100% of grievances we plan to solve, and we plan to give the best of infrastructure for the next 25 years. Now this road will have a guarantee of almost 20 years. 20-25 years it will be that much of strength, that much of quality we will have for the next 25 years. And all this, yeah, and by the way, first time in the country, any industrial state will have a white topping roads. Now all these roads are coming under Sri Nitin Gadkari ji, who is also promoting this. All specifications given are followed from the GSR where it is available there. The entire plan is to see that these roads last for the highest number of years. You have seen what is happening. Everybody is complaining. So we took proactive steps to see that there were no complaints from the industrial state. Now we will see that we are also paying attention to the quality. First we are doing milling, the black topping of the road, the existing roads which are the hot mix. Milling is done. We have cut a certain amount of level, gone to the base, put one layer of concrete, and then we plan doing the entire work. The base concrete will be a bonding concrete layer which will bond concreting white topping to the existing road. We have taken steps. We have put ducts. We have seen that even there will be no more digging. We have put ducts. We have put everything in place so that the infrastructure is such that it will have no single pothole for the next 20-25 years. It will have no digging anywhere.